Hello, my name is Nam Swissa and I am the Global Customer Care Manager at Maytronics. Today we'll be speaking about what happens when the robot starts its cycle but doesn't complete it. First things first, let's verify that the filters are not clogged or full. Afterwards, we will take a look at the impeller of the robot and make sure that there's no debris caught or above or below it. The third step would be verifying that there's no debris or objects stuck in between the tracks and the robot or the tracks and the robot's wheels. The last step would be the power supply. In case the power supply also turns off when the robot stops, it's possible that the problem originates there. Disconnect the blue cable from the power supply and turn only the power supply on. If it turns on and stays on, it's possible that the problem is either with the blue cable or with the robot, and bring it in to your nearest service center for repair. In case the power supply turns off while the blue cable is disconnected, then the power supply would need to be replaced.